that's cleaning on the beach day done. Yeah, it's crazy, but Saturday. Right, so why do I come to Benone? Simple fact is, most of the time, it's sometimes, hardly ever, let's be honest, it's never fucking sunny here. But anyway, I thought I'd come today on a Saturday because my wife, just check the cameras at the back, wife takes her family out for lunch. I'm not really into that, to be honest. No hate, but I like to use my Saturday afternoons to give the van a good deep clean. So it's all the bleachy rags out, as you've seen. Give the floors a good mop. Well, that way's completely blocked, but we've got more beach now, so we can go this way. So we're on Benone Beach, or I was, just chilling, got all my chores done. Gonna wee sit out, enjoy the sun. Ooh, it's busy today. So I have this van scrubbed to within an inch of its life. Even scrubbed the door, because we've got two dogs that no matter the weather need to get out and do their dog egg game where they leave them for me to find. Oh my Christ, it is a rammers. Such a good day though, so it makes a lot of sense to come down. Dude, I'm just doing a straight line. If you want to play chicken, go for it. Dude, make your mind up. Oh, it's bedlam here, and because there's no road markings on the beach, it's every man for himself. And the queues for the ice cream man today are crazy. Only one on today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40 people for an ice cream. So I'm heading back now. My wife's heading back to the house. So go back, grab her. And we were for Port Rush tonight, but this is the weekend of the air show. So there is absolutely no way in hell we'll be able to get close to it. So that's out. So we'll probably just end up in the forest again tonight. See what happens. See what she says. She's the boss. And yeah, just take it from there. Oh, fuck off. Oh, I'm already committed, love. Sorry. 16 cars deep. Sorry about that. You could park. You could have gone in there. It always fascinates me that people can't reverse their vehicles in a straight line or even on a curve. They are horrendously fucking this up. Oh, Jesus Christ. Now, as a former bus driver, having had to reverse for 2 miles because I took a wrong turn one time, yeah, that was way harder than it needed to be, darling. No hate on the Mini. Yeah, so reversing's not a big thing for me. I could drive this all the way home in reverse. Oh yeah, that was the other thing I was going to do. I was going to shave my head. I've been tinkering with my drone. Been buying a few bits. Don't tell the wife. She doesn't even watch these videos, but she's going to be in them a lot more actually. She has agreed. We need to do something with this channel, and we're away a lot in this. It's pretty much jump in the van, drive to the spot, open the freezer box, get some ice and a drink, and have a drink and watch shite TV. And I want to do a bit more than that. I want to show you some of the more beautiful spots this country has to offer and sell it to you. To get over to Northern Ireland and see what it has to offer, because honestly, this country is amazing. And Ireland, no hate on Ireland, apart from the bin situation. But Northern Ireland especially, where I live, could do with some love, and that's what I intend to do more of, even though it's the beginning of September and I'm off to Bulgaria for a couple of weeks next week. When we get back, even in the winter, fancy, hey, thanks buddy, much love, hey. That guy. I'm really going to make a lot of use of this back camera as well. I'm on the hunt, they aren't out yet, but they have leaked it on the app where we have the CCTV system running. It's called a Cinnado, I want to say S1, and it's giving me Ring doorbell vibes, but from a CCTV point of view. So it's just a complete unit with a solar panel on. They have an image on their website, but there's no links to buy it on the Wansview website. But as soon as it's available, I'm buying it, and I'm going to put it next to the front door, or the side door, front door in your house parlance. Yeah, so that'll be the first purchase I get, and then that will be my CCTV sort of installation complete. They did offer me one that's on a stalk, sort of with a solar panel on it, but it's too far out from the side of the vehicle, and I really want something on that side where the in and outdoor is, but this was too far out, and I'm worried that with the roads being so narrow in this country, I would lose it, and probably a big chunk of my sidewall as well with it if I caught a tree. So yeah, I declined that one. Oh, ambulance. Alright dude, you don't need to go in the middle of the road. Oh, someone's having a bad day. Yeah, so I want this one because it's a bit more flush and a bit more contained, and I can just simply screw it to the side with a bit of sealant, and then that will be my side security, and then I'll be happy. I've got the back security for any shenanigans that go on with people egging these vans, because it does happen. And then if anybody wants to try in the door on the side, I've got 4K footage, or probably 2K footage of them, and then that'll go public. And with it being connected to the cloud with the van's internet, then I'm not so worried if they decide to smash it or anything, because it'll already be on the cloud and I can access it from my phone, which is great. But anyway, I'll update you later. As I said, I'm away to grab the wife and see where she wants to go, and we'll take you with us there. So you may have seen her in the background now and again over the years, but this is the world famous Mrs. M. So we're gonna start making proper videos before we get blitzed of an evening. And where are we off to today, darling?
Motorhome Mountain.
And it's called Springwell Forest, and it's on the Park for Night app. We found it, I put it on there, and loads of people have been visiting it since. It's great for dogs, it's great for just walks, bike rides, the whole thing. It's a great little spot. There's a bit of phone signal there so you can stream, and there is also bins and benches and a little barbecue area on each of the benches. So to my mind that means you can have a fire, which is what we're going to do this evening. So we're away to Tesco's to get ice for the drinks, firelighters for the fire. What else? Is that it? That's it. That's all we need. We're very simple folk. So we'll call it the Tesco's, get our bits and pieces, and then we'll see you at the forest. And if you see us, give us a wave. Right, that's Tesco's done. Aye, cracking. We're right up the mountain at the minute, so gonna light a fire, put some steaks on.
Good job, that's hard to bid.
Is that yours there?
What I had before Rush this one. I was working today and fucking.
How are you going to get into Port Rush on a day today? It's the air show.
The air show was on it.
Wouldn't bother.
We love Port Rush, that's where we go every Saturday. But just for the air show today, we're just going to go to the forest.
We'll not get near it.
We'll get up the bank and swim.
No, you're fine.
We just pull up in the grass, just on the
Yeah.
just on the
What's
just
that?
under.
What's that?
Hard to bit.
Oh, Jesus, it's a Nor, like, wasn't it?
Okay.
Oh, best. Anyway, as I was saying, we're away to the mountain. I'll pull in somewhere and give you a tracking shot of us getting in there. So if you struggle finding it, you'll have a bit of an idea where it is. Whew, that's a nice breeze, babe.
Oh, it's class. Warm.
That's Milo. He's the baby of the family. As you've seen in previous videos, he likes to bugger off though. But we still have him.
Keep fighting them.
Keep finding him. He keeps running off and we keep capturing him. Behind the tree, and it's September, so there's no chance of it getting over it. Fire ready to go, well, fire pit, which is one of them BobbyQ ones. So I seen it was a couple of years ago now, wasn't it, babe?
Mm-hmm.
A couple of years ago we were on a beach and a group of French camper vanners pulled up not too far away from us, and I went over to say hello because I'm a friendly guy. And they pulled out one of these yokes. Now it must weigh about 10 kilos, but it's stainless steel, built like armour. It's just a great little fire pit. And then I bought some accessories, not official ones by the way, just rough guesstimates. And I bought a barbecue grill for it, so we're going to have steaks on top of this evening. And I'm also going to stick a frying pan over it as well, so we're going to do some mushrooms. So we're having steak and mushrooms this evening, and I'm not allowed to touch the fire. She's the fire starter. That is the fire to be. Never sits down, and if he does, he usually sits on a lucky big horse of a dog. So I think it's time for a drink. Got to go put the motorhome keys away off my person and turn the seats around, so it's absolutely completely obvious that we have no intention of driving anywhere, so we don't fall foul of the law. And also what I've been doing, I've sort of been building out little quick release plates for my GoPro so I can do some proper filming. So I'm sort of building together shit that I need and weeding out shit that I don't need. Piles of shit. I'm just trying to make life as simple as possible. This is going to be used as a controller mount when the parts arrive from eBay next week, so I can manage the controller from within inside the motorhome. I've got one just on the light fitting on the indicator stalk. I'll show you that now. So this is the light indicator stalk without. I didn't do that. And this is the indicator stalk with. So this one is the one that we get all the hyperlapse footage, which you saw when we came into this park, which is fantastic. So this is Springwell Forest Park. Little parking space there, bins, little park bench there, and there's another one further down where that red car is. There's a gate there, lovely walks. Gate there, lovely walks. This is all forestry managed. Little turning circle to get in. That's not us, we've just got here.
I'm going to eat a couple of them.
Oh, my fucking toe! Just threw an axe at me toe.
Cheers!
Service with a smile. She stole me hoodie.
I'm freedom.
Standard tactics. So you join me now where we're at state level. This video is currently not sponsored by Schwartz Season All Salt, Paprika and Pepper, which I didn't realise was a screw top lid because I dropped a fucking pile of it. Let's give that a go in the BobbyQ with an Amazon aftermarket grill that just fits.
That's getting cooked and that's getting smoked.
Alright,
What's all cooked?
Alright, it's heat. Do not doubt the master. This is some ASMR shit right now. Look at that! Bit of pepper sauce. And with the mushies. I think we're done on that. So that's done. Steaks are nearly done.
I think them steaks are well done.
That's very well done. Yeah. Dinner, Mrs. M.
Will be served.
That's the end of the evening in Springwell Forest Park in Coleraine. It's called the Broad Road between Limavady and Coleraine, and you should come pay a visit to it if you're in the area. So we're going to finish off with a little top up of a little bit of rum and coke, and we're going to call it an evening. We've had such an adventure. Look at that. Just look at that. Fire, sunset, bird smoke, everything. And it's been fantastic. Hasn't it, Mrs. M?
Yeah, Mr. Mark.
So until the next one, probably do a little, this won't be our motorhome one, this will be us in Bulgaria, travelling around and exploring that and just seeing the sights basically. More of that in the next episode. Thanks for watching, love you all, see you in the next one, bye!